Hey guys, RB the Garden Nanny. I am getting ready to go outside and clean up my front porch and also work on my screenhouse. So if you want to check that out, keep watching. Everything has gotten a good scrub, good cleaning. I really like putting that on the hose and just letting it do its thing, do the work for me. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. Now I'm just gonna let it dry. I also cleaned my chairs, wood chairs and bench. So I am going to let everything dry and then I will be back. I am done for the front. Got it all cleaned up. And got my cushions back out. And my sun, even if there's no sun some days. I have some ferns that I picked up at Home Depot. One in here as well. And some friends dropped some off, so I'm gonna have to figure out where to put those. But yeah, everything looks nice. The windows are clean, my door is clean, my sign is here. I'm in the garden. Yes, that's my location. And I cleaned my lights. Oh, they were a mess, so full of bugs. So I'm going to head back to the patio and start there. Okay, it is raining out on the outside, just somewhat sprinkling. Came down a little hard and now it's back to sprinkling. So I decided I would work in this area. I have all my Screenhouse furniture in here, under here, and under here. This is my brother's. I don't know when he's gonna come get this, but it's probably gonna have to go. And as you can see, I have a lot of debris that just needs to be cleaned up, and this beautiful rug is just so filthy. It's always a mess around this time. But I'm going to try to do my best to clean this all up. So this is just showing you my before, and I will show you my after I'm done.